Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you should have with you Class 8 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We will start our lesson from Unit 2, Media as Source of Information. In this lesson, we are going to read the text of this unit. We are going to find out how the media as a source of information for us. SLOs of this lesson are: use pre-reading strategies to predict the context of a text from topic, picture or title, headings, keywords and visuals, etc. By using prior knowledge, asking questions and contextual clues. Now look at the pictures here. This is the picture of the social media. We have WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Skype, etc. We have all the social apps we have here. And the newspaper. And this is the media, internet, radio, television, newspaper and magazines. All the sources of information we have. Now let's look at the warm-up activity here. What do we have here? How do we know what is happening around the world? This question is for you. How do we know what is happening? When we know about what is happening around the world, we know through these resources here. These all resources here. How many hours do you spend watching television, surfing internet? How many hours you keep searching on internet or watch television? Now look at the page number 18. Let's read the unit 2 here. The term media is defined as one of the means or channel of general communication in society, such as newspaper, radio, television, etc. Media includes every broadcasting and narrowcasting medium such as newspaper, magazine, TV, radio, billboards, direct mail, telephone, fax and internet. Media is the plural of medium and can take a plural or singular verb here. Narrowcasting means on the local or district level for the specific group of people. In this paragraph, we discuss the term media here. What it is the source of communication between the societies, between the people through newspaper, radio, television, and it includes every broadcasting and narrowcasting. Broadcasting on the international or national level, and the narrowcasting is for district or area level. The resources are newspaper, magazine, radio, billboards, mail, telephone, fax or internet, etc. The word or the term media can be used both as plural and singular, but it is the one action here. Now, look at this paragraph here, the second paragraph. It is often said that world has become a global village. एक छोटे से गांव में तब्दील कर दिया है मीडिया ने दुनिया को, इंटरनेट ने. It is media that has shrunk the world into a village. Shrunk, छोटा कर दिया है, सुकेड़ दिया है. Telecommunication, TV, radio, newspaper and now computer have reduced the distances and brought the countries of the world closer to each other. With the advent of new technology, media has gained new dimension and great strength. Advent here, the invention, नई इजादात ने. Dimension, नया रुख या नया मोड़ दे दिया है. It has transformed the present age into information explosion. With the passage of time, media has become the member of our society. Media plays many important functions in the present age, ranging from politics to education. Media is a powerful weapon. It creates awareness and consciousness of rights, duties and responsibilities among the people. In this second paragraph, what we discussed here, that media plays a role to brought the countries of the world closer to each other through internet, TV, radio, telecommunication, newspaper, And through these apps, we can talk to anybody, anyone in the world. Just on one click, we can connect to anybody in the world. And with the invention of new technology, media has gained new dimensions. It introduces new things to us, to our society, and it became the member of our society. It also plays the great role in politics and education, and it is now a powerful weapon for us. It creates awareness and consciousness. Consciousness means हमें बाखबर करवाता है हर चीज से कि हमारे rights क्या हैं, duties क्या है, responsibilities क्या हैं लोगों की. Now look at the third paragraph here. Through it, people and government become conscious of the future challenges. For a democracy to flourish, create करना, बनाना, a free and strong media is necessity. Necessity means ज़रूरत. Free and fair media is considered as the guardian of democracy. It ensures free and fair elections, accountability and transfer of power. Accountability जब हम किसी को जवाबदेह होते हैं अपने कामों के लिए. One of the biggest problems that world is facing today is intolerance and mutual mistrust. Intolerance, बर्दाश्त ना करना. Intolerance makes a society a jungle. World needs a big change. Media being a much powerful source today plays its part by promoting tolerance and mutual understanding. Media is the only source now which is easily accessible to people from all walks of life. So what we discussed here in the third paragraph, that media made the people aware, the conscious of their future challenge, what they are going to face in the future with challenges. And it is also very important to flourish the democracy, and free and strong media is the necessity for us. And free and fair media is also considered as the guardian of democracy. जमहूरियत की क्या है? मुहाफिज है, हिफाजत करती है. It ensures free and fair elections. इसके जरिए हम फ्री और इंसाफ की बुनियाद पर इलेक्शंस कर सकते हैं. And due to the intolerance of some people and the societies, the world become a jungle. World needs a big change here. Media being a much powerful source today, plays its part by promoting tolerance and mutual understanding here. Media is the only source now which is easily accessible. All the social apps, net, computer are almost accessible to everyone nowadays. All walks of life, हर तरह के लोग, हर किस्म, हर तबके के लोग जो है मीडिया को यूज कर रहे हैं. अखबार, इंटरनेट, रेडियो, टीवी हर एक के लिए एक्सेसिबल है. हर कोई हर चीज से आजकल बाखबर रहता है. Now look at the fourth paragraph here. Media through its various trends, colors and lifestyles has brought the nation closer to each other. It depicts the religion and culture of the countries. It creates social harmony, ahangi, and understanding, and promotes brotherhood, bhaichara. It provides entertainment and recreational activities. Recreational activities are those activities which gives you enjoyment and pleasure. So in this paragraph, we discussed that through various trends and lifestyles and colors brought the different nations together through media. And it shows you the religion and culture of all the countries. It creates social harmony and understanding. मीडिया ने अहम किरदार अदा किया है लोगों को मिलजुल कर रहने का और एक दूसरे को अंडरस्टैंड करने का, और प्रमोट किया है भाईचारे को. And it's also provide us entertainment and those activity which we enjoy, like social apps, we can watch movies, we can study on net, lots of activity we can have. Now look at this paragraph here. Media is the mirror of a society. It reflects its true picture, hence it affects the society in different ways. It has both positive and negative impacts. असरात, impacts कहते हैं असरात को. Media is a powerful and effective political agent. It raises the voice of the masses. Masses कहते हैं बहुत लोगों को. And act as the interpreter of society. Interpreter बताने वाला, दिखाने वाला. It keeps an eye on each and every action of the government. It not only points out drawbacks and lapses in the works done by the government. Drawback कहते हैं खराबियों को. Lapses जो कोई चीज भूल जाए. In the works done by the government, by also suggest method to improve them. It brings expert opinions through various debates and provides the government a guideline to follow. It brings the performance of the ruling government to the masses and act as an agent of change. So what we discuss in this paragraph here, that media shows the true picture of the society and it really reflects us. What people are doing, what the government are, what the politicians or our leaders are doing. And it also affects the society in different ways, both the negative and positive. Media is also a powerful political agent and it raises the voice of the people and it shows the true picture of society to the other people of the world. And it really keeps an eye on every action, on every act from the government. If the government have any drawbacks and lapses, it also suggests them how to improve them. You may have seen the expert debating on different issues and problems of the country. It's also possible and accessible through media. And we can have a very good idea of the performance of the country. Now look at this paragraph here. Furthermore, media also plays a very vital role in economic sphere. It attracts the foreign investors, showing government's projects internationally. Here the economic sphere, मुआशरी दायरा जो है हमारा, मुआशरती दायरे को कहते हैं economic sphere. It is also a great source of purchasing and selling. Purchasing, खरीदना. One can do all his business just sitting at home through internet. It keeps its viewers in touch with the new trends in business and products through advertisement. Changing prices of the essential is not a hidden matter now. It also represents the performance of stock exchange, which keeps the investors updated. Investors वो जो पैसा लगाने वाले होते हैं, businessmen. So in this paragraph we discuss the more effects and impacts of media here on us. It has a very vital, very important role in our economy. It attracts the investor from other countries. And governments of the other country can have a look or to know about the projects that's going on in your country. It's also a great source of purchasing and selling. Through internet, you can order something or you can sell something. It's very easy and very common nowadays. The stock exchanger also keep updated about the performance. We can also do business by just sitting at the home through internet. It's very common now. And it's all possible because of media. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के सबक में हमने मीडिया की इंपॉर्टेंस के बारे में पढ़ा और इसके असरात हम पर कितने ज्यादा हैं. मीडिया में अखबार, मैगजीन, टीवी, रेडियो, बिलबोर्ड, डाक, टेलीफोन, फैक्स और इंटरनेट सब शामिल हैं. मीडिया ने क्या दुनिया को एक गांव में बदल दिया है और दुनिया के सारे ममालिक को एक दूसरे के नजदीक कर दिया है. मीडिया ने दुनिया को एक नई शक्ल और एक नया रुख दे दिया है. इससे हम अपनी सियासत के बारे में भी जान सकते हैं. मीडिया एक ताकतवर हथियार बन चुका है और लोगों में शऊर पैदा कर रहा है. मीडिया के जरिए हम घर में बैठकर आसानी से बिजनेस भी कर सकते हैं, मतलब कुछ खरीद और बेच सकते हैं. मीडिया ने मुख्तलिफ ममालिक के मज़ाहिब के लोगों को एक दूसरे के करीब कर दिया और हम उनके कल्चर्स के बारे में भी जान सकते हैं. मीडिया हमारा एंटरटेनमेंट का जरिया भी है और ये हुकूमत के कामों की ना सिर्फ खराबियों और भूल चूक की निशानदही करता है बल्कि न्यूज सजेशंस भी पेश करता है और हम हुकूमत की कारकर्दगी के बारे में सही अंदाजा भी लगा सकते हैं मीडिया के जरिए. Dear student, we will continue this unit in our next lesson. I want you to read the next paragraph by yourself so you will have a very good idea what is going on next. So now let's move to the exercise. We will find the answer of these 3 questions from the text we have just read now. Look at the first question. How do television shows, movies and video games help teenagers interact with their educations? This is a general question and it's very easy. How do television shows and movies and video games help teenagers interact एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट जो होते हैं, राब्ते में रहते हैं with their education. टीनेजर्स जो 12 से 18 साल के बच्चे जो हैं, टीवी शोज, मूवीज और वीडियो गेम्स टीनेजर्स को उनकी एजुकेशन में कैसे हेल्प करते हैं, आपने इसको आंसर करना है. Now look at the second one. What is the easiest source to get information? Why? This is the very easy and general question. We have so many easiest sources of information here, and you have to give a reason why. Look at the third one. Do you agree that media is a source of culture, entertainment and education? Why? If you are agree with this statement here, you have to give your reason that why you are agree. I hope you will do your homework. Till next lesson, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.